Welcome back everyone, Meanpooh here, and today I want to show you how to enable Ultimate Performance Power Plan. This is a power scheme that is hidden in Windows 10 and it has to be enabled to use it through PowerShell. The Ultimate Performance Power Plan is designed to give an extra boost to high power systems by optimizing the High Performance Power Plan. The Ultimate Performance Plan eliminates the polling of hardware to see if it needs more energy and allows the hardware to consume all the power it needs. In other words, letting your computer run balls to the wall unchecked. Now, right there, you should be hesitant to use it, especially if your machine is already running hot or is throttling. And since we're all human, we just have to see how this will work on our machines, right? So, to save you some time, I will show you my results with some tests and then I'll show you how to enable it. First up is Firestrike. If you don't know what this is, Firestrike is a showcase DirectX 11 benchmark for modern gaming PCs. The real-time graphics are rendered with detail and complexity, which includes 2 graphics tests, a physics test, and a combined test that stresses the CPU and GPU. This test was run with the balanced power plan, and the fans were set to auto, and for what it's worth, I didn't hear them all that much. The final result was a score of 9,092. Here's the test with the Ultimate Power Plan. It has a final score of 9,061. When I saw this, I thought I got the files reversed, so I ran them a few more times. And sure enough, the balanced power plan is a better fit. With this run, the balance plan is higher by 31 points. Next is Skydiver. This is a DirectX 11 benchmark for gaming laptops and mid-range PCs. The final result of the test using the balanced power plan, we got a score of 26,125. Using the Ultimate Power Plan, the final score comes out to be 25,980. This has the balance plan being higher with a 145 point lead. You would think the opposite, but unfortunately, it's not. The last 3D Mark test is TimeSpy. This is a DirectX 12 benchmark which supports new API features like asynchronous compute, explicit multi-adapter, and multi-threading. According to the developer, this is the ideal test for benchmarking the latest graphics cards. Using the balanced power plan, we have a score of 3,885. And of course, going with the patterns we've seen in the last few tests, using the Ultimate Power Plan, we get a score of 3,874. This puts the balanced power plan being better by 11 points. This is the smallest gap compared to the others. I have no idea why this is happening, and if you have an idea, sound off in the comments section. The next test I have is PCmark 10 using the PCmark 10 Express benchmark. This is a shorter benchmark than the standard and focuses on basic work tasks in essentials and productivity categories. Within these, the benchmark would test spreadsheets, writing workloads, web browsing, video conferencing, and app startup time. The tests I ran both came in under 18 minutes each. Just like the last, this will be run using the balanced power plan and the Ultimate Power Plan. If you have a look at the top, the teal color is Ultimate and the orange is the balanced. Finally, we get a test where the Ultimate Power Plan is worth using. It got a score of 5,014 points, while the balanced plan got 4,829. This is 185 points higher. You can also see, as I expand the trees on some of the tests, the type and the time. So to me, it seems like this power plan is good for productivity applications and not so useful in gaming. The last benchmark is Assassin's Creed Odyssey. I picked this since the game is pretty CPU heavy. Looking at the results, there is hardly a difference. Balance has a higher minimum by 4 frames, while the Ultimate wins by 1 frame on average with 65. Ultimate also has a higher FPS max with 113, which is 7 FPS higher than balanced. With all that we've seen, I'd say stick with balanced if you're using it. I don't think it's worth the power consumption, especially if you are on a laptop. This will surely drain your battery as it optimizes the high performance plan which already keeps your course running at full speed. As promised, this is how you enable it. Go to the bottom of the screen and type PowerShell in the search. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. At the prompt, type powercfg space dash duplicate scheme space E9A42B02 dash D5DF dash 448D dash AA00 dash 03F 14749 EB61 and hit enter. Or you can just copy the text that I have in the description. You can now go to your power plans by heading to the bottom right hand side of your desktop and right clicking the battery icon. Now select Power Options. If everything was typed correctly, then you will see it at the bottom called Ultimate Performance. If you do not like the plan and you want to get rid of it, select a different power plan and then click Change Plan Settings on the Ultimate Performance plan. On the bottom left, you'll see Delete this plan. Click this. Now you're done. Well, I hope you found this video informative, and if you like the content, you know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, Meanpooh out.